Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Kristen. So today I wanted to create a short video for you of how to play 10 bean spill. Yes, we played it in Zoom today and I showed you, and we have been working on combinations to 10. But there are a couple materials and resources that you need in order to be successful to play this game, my friends. One of the things on Canvas that you're going to see are these counters. Yes, I cut out two and I will show you why a little bit later. So you're going to need these counters. You're also going to need them to be in color. So when you print them out, make sure it's not black and white and it comes out red and yellow. Also, yours is going to come out on white paper. You have a 10 frame. You're going to need that. And then there's also posted on Canvas, you're going to have a 10 frame recording sheet. So these are just mini versions of 10 frames. You're going to need all of them. So you're going to need the recording sheet printed out. You're going to need the actual 10 frame printed out. And you're going to need the counters in color printed out. Then what you're going to do, my friends, is I already cut them out. You're going to cut some red out and some yellow out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take some glue or tape if you do not have glue, and you're going to put a little bit on the side of it. You're going to glue it together, so then you have one counter that one side is red and the other side is yellow. You're going to need 10 of these. So 10 counters. Once you have 10 counters, you're going to put them into a cup, okay? You're going to put them into a cup. Also, make sure you have a red and a yellow crayon. Okay, so once you have 10 counters, so I have 10 counters, okay, into a cup, make sure then you have your 10 frame and then your recording sheet with your 10 frames. You're going to need both. Then what you're going to do is you're going to shake it up and you're going to drop them and you're going to let them spill out. You're going to spill them very nicely, and I'm separating them. Okay, and then the way they spill out, you're just going to let them land that way. Then what I'm going to do, my friends, is I'm going to take my 10 frame and I'm going to place all the yellow together and all the red together. So when I look, I'm going to do red first, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of them fell out of the cup with the red side up. Then I have 4 yellow. 4 yellow fell that way, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on my 10 frame, I have 6 red and 4 yellow. So then what I'm going to do, my friends, is I'm going to take my recording sheet and I'm going to make sure that I have a red crayon and a yellow crayon, okay? And I'm going to fill in my recording sheet. So let me double check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to color in 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the 6 boxes. And then I'm going to check my 10 frame again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow. So I'm going to take my yellow crayon and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is exactly how it looks on my 10 frame. I'm just taking what I see and putting it there. So I see 6 and I see 4. Now, what you're going to do is if I see 6 of them, I'm going to take the red because I have 6 red counters, and I'm going to put a 6 right here super nicely. And then I have 4 yellow. So I'm going to take my yellow crayon and write 4. And then 6 and 4 is a combination to 10. If I put 6 fingers up and I add 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 10. I'm going to start the process over again. I'm going to take my counters. So here's all my counters. I'm going to put all 10 of them back in the cup. Okay? I'm going to shake it up again. I'm going to spill them out, spill the beans, and I'm going to separate them. I'm not flipping them over. The way they land out of the cup, I'm going to keep it that way. So this time, oh, I have yellow. I'm going to put the yellow on first. 1, 2, 3. It's the way that it fell out of the cup. And the rest of them are red. And I have 1, I'm going to place it on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to place them on my 10 frame. Then I'm going to take my recording sheet. I'm just going to go to the next open 10 frame. Let me check again. I have how many yellow? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to fill in 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let me count how many red again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's double check. How many yellow? Go ahead, say it with me. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take my yellow crayon. I'm going to write a 3. And then let's count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write a 7. So I have 3 yellow and 7 red make 10. So if I do 3 and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 10. That is a combination to 10. So your job is then again, you're going to put them back in the cup. You're going to shake them up. You're going to spill them out. You're going to separate them. The way they land, just leave it that way. If it lands on the yellow side, leave it. If it lands on the red side, leave it. Then you're going to put them to the 10 frame that I have over here, and then you're going to record it. You're just going to copy what you have. Now, my friends, it's very important. Do not mix up your colors. If you want to put all the red first on your 10 frame, you can do that. If you want to put all the yellow, you can do that, but you're not mixing it up. It should not be 2 red, then some yellow, then some red. No, you have to keep all the red together, all the yellow together. When you are done, you will take a picture of this and you will submit it to the assignment on Seesaw. But you have to have all of these done in order to get credit for it. So this is called 10 bean spill. Remember, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need this from Canvas. These are the counters. You're going to need 10 of them. You're going to put them in a cup. So remember what I said. You're going to cut them out, glue it together so you have a red side and a yellow side. Make sure you have 10. Shake it up. Then you're also going to need this 10 frame. Yours will probably be on white paper. And then you're going to need the recording sheet. This is what you take a picture of. So you are playing 10 bean spill, making combinations to 10. And you will also need a red and yellow crayon. Have fun doing this, my friends. I can't wait to see all your combinations to 10.